Today we have achieved our integrated demo with all the capabilities that we are developing for beyond visual line of sight drones in ADACORSA project. This is important to contribute to enable unlocking, mass scale services with drones, because if you are restricted to the visual range of the pilot, there's a lot of stuff that you cannot do. And if we are able to create these capabilities, drones can fly beyond the visual line of range of the pilot, and imagination is the limit. Today in the Drone Centre at NLR, we flight tested the integration of 4 distinct capabilities: control authority handover between the drone from 2 different control stations, provide precise positioning for the flight of the drone, and we have 2 robust multi-link solutions that can connect through Wi-Fi, 5G, SATcom, and ensure a robust, continuous connection with the ground. And finally, we also add a sensor to detect cooperative traffic that, working, enables the drone in the future to be integrated with the other traffic in the airspace that exists today.
The NLR Drone Centre has all the facilities like workshops and technical people available to assist the integration of the systems. We have a designated airport for which it is possible to fly drones, and there's a restricted airspace which can be closed from other air traffic, so we can safely operate these drones and perform these flight tests.
We are here today to integrate these capabilities and test them on a real drone in realistic flight conditions, so that we have in the same flight and the same test environment the location services, detect and avoid services, and the data links from 2 different providers, actually different and alternative solutions.
We hardly had any interference problems, neither with the systems between each other and the antennas from the data links. Together with the partners, we succeeded in obtaining a lot of test data and knowledge, and this will be a baseline to go further with the technology level that we now reach with the validation of the systems as we have performed now.
This is a research project funded by the EU to foster European competitiveness. In this domain, we are bringing partners from the telecom, from the automotive, so from non-aviation traditional sectors that are bringing their knowledge and expertise and transferring it to the drone domain in order to enable beyond visual line of sight operations that we need if we want to unlock mass scale usage of drones.